Are you looking for the best flip mobile phone? In this video, we want to the top 5 best flip mobile phone on the market today. We'll consider their product features and values with possible. If you want more information and an update on the products mentioned, check these links in the description. Number 5. Uniwa X28 Flip Mobile Phone. Timeless elegance meets modern convenience. In a world dominated by sleek and complex smartphones, the Uniwa X28 Flip Mobile Phone stands out as a beacon of simplicity and classic design. Unveiling a timeless flip phone with a touch of luxury, the Uniwa X28 combines traditional elegance with contemporary features, making it a unique choice for those who appreciate the blend of style and functionality. Classic flip design, luxury taste. The Uniwa X28 exudes sophistication with its classic flip design, offering a touch of luxury that transcends the boundaries of time. The elegant exterior not only reflects a sense of style but also harks back to an era when simplicity was key. 165 flip angle, strong and powerful. Designed for convenience, the Uniwa X28 boasts a robust hinge system that allows for a wide 165 flip angle. This not only enhances the user experience but also ensures the phone is sturdy and durable, standing up to the rigors of everyday use. Dual TFT display screen, 2.8-foot main display, 1.77 secondary display. The Uniwa X28 features a dual TFT display system, with a generous 2.8-foot main screen that provides clear visuals. Additionally, a 1.77-foot secondary display on the outside keeps you informed of essential information at a glance, even when the phone is closed. 1200 mAh battery for long standby. Equipped with a 1200 mAh battery, the Uniwa X28 ensures extended standby time, allowing users to stay connected without the constant worry of running out of power. This feature caters to individuals who value reliability in their mobile devices. Large fonts, large buttons for enhanced accessibility. Accessibility is a priority in the Uniwa X28, evident in the large fonts and buttons that make navigation a breeze. This thoughtful design is particularly beneficial for users who prefer a more user-friendly interface or may have visual or dexterity considerations. Wireless FM radio for on-the-go entertainment. Embrace the joy of on-the-go entertainment with the Uniwa X28's wireless FM radio feature. Whether you're commuting, taking a stroll, or simply relaxing at home, you can tune into your favorite stations without the need for additional accessories. Preset 3 SOS emergency contact numbers. Safety is paramount, and the Uniwa X28 addresses this with a thoughtful SOS feature. Users can preset 3 emergency contact numbers, providing peace of mind in critical situations. 2030 double magnetic horn speaker for crisp audio. Enjoy crystal clear audio with the Uniwa X28's 2030 double magnetic horn speaker. Whether you're engaging in phone calls or listening to media, the high-quality speaker enhances the overall audio experience. 0.3 MP back camera for quick snaps. Capture moments on the go with the Uniwa X28's 0.3 MP back camera. While not designed for professional photography, it adds a touch of versatility for those spontaneous snapshots. English keyboard for user-friendly operation. Navigating through the Uniwa X28 is a breeze with its user-friendly English keyboard. The simplicity of the layout ensures ease of use, catering to a wide range of users. In conclusion, the Uniwa X28 Flip mobile phone strikes a harmonious balance between classic design and modern functionality. With its robust features, accessibility-focused design, and a touch of luxury, the Uniwa X28 stands as a testament to the enduring appeal of flip phones in an ever-evolving tech landscape. It's more than a phone, it's a statement of timeless elegance in the palm of your hand. Number 4. Happyhere M2C Flip Mobile Phone. Bridging generations with simplicity and functionality. In a world of ever-advancing smartphones, the Happyhere M2C Flip mobile phone emerges as a nostalgic yet practical choice, designed to cater to a specific audience while embracing the charm of classic mobile devices. Tailored with a Russian keyboard, menu, and an EU charger specifically for customers in Russia, Ukraine, and Belarus, the Happyhere M2C celebrates simplicity, functionality, and cultural nuances. Russian keyboard, menu, and EU charger for localized convenience. Understanding the unique needs of its audience, the Happyhere M2C proudly features a Russian keyboard and menu, catering to the linguistic preferences of users in Russia, Ukraine, and Belarus. Additionally, the EU charger ensures compatibility with local charging infrastructure, ensuring seamless usage for customers in these regions. True full voice King Loud. A sonic delight, the Happyhere M2C takes pride in its true full voice King Loud feature. With a powerful speaker system, this flip phone delivers an audio experience that is clear, robust, and resonant. Whether engaging in calls or enjoying media, the M2C ensures that every sound is heard with clarity. Big screen, big words. A visual feast, the M2C doesn't compromise on visuals. Boasting a big screen and large fonts, the phone ensures a comfortable and visually pleasing experience. The emphasis on readability is particularly beneficial for users who appreciate clear and easily discernible text. SOS one-click help and family number one-click speed dial. Safety and connectivity are paramount in the design of the Happyhere M2C. With one-click SOS assistance, users can quickly reach out for help in emergencies. Additionally, the family number one-click speed dial feature simplifies communication, allowing users to connect with their loved ones effortlessly. Alloy shaft durability. Built to last, the M2C doesn't just prioritize aesthetics, it also emphasizes durability. The alloy shaft ensures robustness, making the phone resistant to wear and tear, enhancing its longevity for prolonged usage. One-click LED flashlight. Illuminating convenience, adding a touch of practicality, the one-click LED flashlight feature turns the Happyhere M2C into a reliable tool in various situations. Whether navigating in the dark or searching for items, the built-in flashlight ensures illumination at the press of a button. Double screen flip of high quality. Classic design meets modern craftsmanship. The M2C's double screen flip design is a nod to classic mobile phones, offering a nostalgic touch while maintaining high-quality construction. The flip mechanism adds a layer of protection to the screen, ensuring both style and functionality. Large screen display LED LCD. Clarity at a glance, the large screen display with LED LCD technology enhances visual clarity, providing users with a crisp and vibrant interface for easy navigation and interaction. Stereo high-volume speaker with clear sound. The stereo high-volume speaker is engineered for clarity without noise, with optimized bass and elderly listening features. The large volume speaker ensures that conversations and audio playback are heard distinctly. Rear clear camera. Capturing moments effortlessly. For those impromptu photo moments, the Happyhere M2C is equipped with a rear clear camera. While not designed for professional photography, it adds a touch of versatility for capturing memories on the go. In conclusion, the Happyhere M2C flip mobile phone is more than a device, it's a bridge between generations, celebrating the simplicity and functionality of classic phones while incorporating modern features. With a focus on cultural adaptation, durability, and user-friendly design, the M2C is a testament to the belief that technology can be both advanced and heartwarming. Embrace the charm of the flip phone era with the Happyhere M2C. Number 3. Servo P21 Flip Mobile Phone. A multifunctional marvel redefining connectivity. In the ever-evolving landscape of mobile technology, the Servo P21 Flip mobile phone emerges as a versatile powerhouse, offering not only a throwback to classic flip phones but also an array of features that cater to the diverse needs of users. From its ability to support 4 SIM cards simultaneously to a robust high-definition camera, the Servo P21 transcends expectations, providing a seamless blend of functionality and convenience. 4 SIM card slots. Connectivity without compromise. A standout feature of the Servo P21 is its support for 4 SIM cards simultaneously. This means users can manage multiple numbers without the hassle of swapping cards, ensuring that no important calls are missed. Additionally, the phone accommodates a TF card, further expanding its storage capacity. High-definition camera. Capturing life's beautiful moments. The Servo P21 is equipped with a high-definition camera, enabling users to capture the essence of life's beautiful moments with ease. Whether it's a scenic landscape or a candid moment with loved ones, this flip phone ensures that memories are preserved in clarity. Automatic call recording. Effortless documentation. Activating the automatic call recording function adds a layer of convenience to communication. Every call is documented seamlessly, providing users with a useful tool for reference and recall. LED flashlight illuminating the path ahead. The one-click LED flashlight on the side of the Servo P21 is a practical addition, providing a strong light source for users navigating through the dark. Fearless of night travels, this feature adds an element of safety and convenience. Music/video player. Entertainment on the go. Eliminating the boredom of idle moments, the Servo P21 serves as a music and video player. Even without internet access, users can enjoy downloaded content, turning mundane times into entertainment opportunities. High-capacity battery. Powering through the day with a 1200 mAh large-capacity battery, the Servo P21 ensures a long-lasting battery life, offering ultra-long standby time. Users can stay connected without the constant concern of running out of power. Speed dial. Instant connection with loved ones. Setting speed dial contacts allows users to connect with friends or family with just one click. No need to sift through the phone book, instant connections are established effortlessly. FM radio portable entertainment hub. The Servo P21 doubles as a portable radio with its FM radio feature. Users can enjoy a rich variety of content with loud and clear sound, enhancing the overall mobile experience. Magic voice adding a touch of fun. For a more entertaining phone call experience, the Servo P21 offers 3 different voices: children, women, and men. Users can choose a voice that suits the mood, making calls more interesting. Blacklist. A cleaner, more comfortable life. Harassment and fraudulent calls can be a nuisance, but with the Servo P21's blacklist feature, users can add specified numbers to block unwanted calls. This ensures a cleaner and more comfortable life. More practical features. Beyond the basics, the Servo P21 goes beyond the basics, offering practical features such as a calculator, calendar, games, alarm clock, Bluetooth, recorder, and more. These features enhance the overall convenience and utility of the flip phone. In conclusion, the Servo P21 Flip mobile phone isn't just a communication device, it's a multifunctional marvel that caters to the diverse needs of users. Whether it's connectivity, entertainment, or practical utility, this flip phone seamlessly integrates modern features into a classic form, redefining the way we approach mobile technology. Number 2. Uniwa V909T Flip Mobile Phone. Simplicity redefined for senior care. In the fast-paced world of mobile technology, the Uniwa V909T Flip mobile phone emerges as a beacon of simplicity and functionality, specifically designed to meet the unique needs of seniors. With a focus on ease of use, big buttons, high volume, and a large battery, the V909T aims to provide seniors with a reliable and user-friendly communication tool. Easy-to-use design. Care for seniors. The Uniwa V909T is more than just a mobile phone, it's a caring companion designed to meet the needs of seniors. The easy-to-use features are thoughtfully integrated to ensure a seamless experience for those who may prefer simplicity in their mobile devices. Double screen. A modern twist on classic design. Combining classic flip phone design with modern features, the V909T boasts a 2.8-inch QVGA main screen and a 1.77-inch QVGA outer screen. This dual-screen setup not only enhances the user interface but also provides essential information at a glance, even when the phone is closed. Big buttons and big font. Enhanced visibility and comfort. The V909T goes above and beyond in prioritizing accessibility with its big buttons and big font. Navigating through menus and typing messages is made easier for seniors, enhancing both visibility and comfort. Speed dial buttons. Instant connections at your fingertips. Recognizing the importance of quick and effortless connections, the V909T allows users to set speed dial buttons using number keys 29. This means that reaching out to loved ones is as simple as a single press. SOS emergency button. Instant contact in critical moments. In emergency situations, time is of the essence. The V909T addresses this need with an SOS emergency button, ensuring that seniors can quickly and easily contact family members or friends when it matters most. 4G LTE network modern connectivity for American users. The V909T supports American version 4G LTE bands, providing modern connectivity for users in the United States. This ensures that seniors can stay connected with faster data speeds and reliable network coverage. In conclusion, the Uniwa V909T flip mobile phone stands as a testament to thoughtful design, prioritizing ease of use, accessibility, and modern connectivity for seniors. With its big buttons, high volume, and convenient features like speed dial and an SOS emergency button, the V909T provides a reliable and caring solution in the world of mobile communication. It's not just a phone, it's a companion designed to simplify and enhance the lives of seniors. Number 1. BlackBerry 8220 Flip Mobile Phone. Nostalgia meets classic elegance. In the ever-evolving landscape of mobile technology, certain devices stand as timeless icons, and the BlackBerry 8220 Flip mobile phone is undoubtedly one such classic. A true original, the BlackBerry 8220 Flip combines the charm of flip phones with the efficiency of BlackBerry OS, creating a device that is both nostalgic and enduring. Original BlackBerry 8220. A legacy unveiled. The BlackBerry 8220 Flip is a testament to BlackBerry's legacy in the mobile industry. As an original 2G flip phone, it harkens back to an era when BlackBerry devices were synonymous with productivity and communication prowess. 2.6-foot display BlackBerry OS. Classic efficiency, modern touch featuring a 2.6-inch display, the BlackBerry 8220 Flip embraces the efficiency and user-friendly nature of BlackBerry OS. The iconic operating system is celebrated for its seamless communication features and organizational capabilities, making it a choice that bridges the gap between nostalgia and modern usability. Pearl Flip 8220 Smartphone Timeless Design. The Pearl Flip 8220 smartphone retains the signature BlackBerry design with its sleek flip form factor. The flip mechanism not only adds a touch of sophistication but also serves as a protective casing for the display, ensuring durability and style in one timeless package. GSM Mobile Phone Global Connectivity. The BlackBerry 8220 Flip operates on GSM technology, ensuring global connectivity for users across various regions. This versatility allows users to stay connected wherever they go, making it an ideal choice for those who value seamless communication on a global scale. In conclusion, the BlackBerry 8220 Flip mobile phone is more than a device, it's a nostalgic journey into the world of classic mobile technology. With its original 2G capabilities, BlackBerry OS efficiency, and the enduring design of the Pearl Flip 8220 smartphone, this device represents an era when BlackBerry was synonymous with productivity and style. Embrace the past with the BlackBerry 8220 Flip, where classic elegance meets modern functionality in a device that stands the test of time.